Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time here, you're highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking around. So in today's video, I want to be sharing something personal, which is how I lost weight after 4 pregnancies. And I want you to know that this journey wasn't about being perfect or following a strict plan. It was about doing what worked for me step by step. So if you're a mom or anyone looking to look and feel better in your body again, I hope this video inspires you. So let's get into this video without wasting much of your time. The first thing I did was love my body and stop fighting it. I stopped focusing on the things I don't like about my body and appreciate it more on how far it has brought me. And this mindset has helped me make healthier choices from a place of love and not shame. And this has made a lot of difference. So if you're struggling with the same thing, here is what I want you to do each day. Stand in front of a mirror and say one kind thing to yourself. This mindset will help you shift how you feel about yourself. You can even write it down or say it out loud, and do this very often. Loving your body is a practice and it starts with kindness. So the next thing I did was cut down on sugar, from soda to juices, anything that has to do with too much sugar. And for my drinking, I focus mainly on plain water instead. And this is because sugary drinks and food are full of empty calories. They don't fuel you up. They keep you bloated and tired every single time. And now I either skip them completely or take them once in 6 months. That's if I want to take them. And ever since I stopped taking all of these things, I promise you I don't miss them. And one of the reasons why I was able to quit it and keep it off is because I have digestive issues, and food like this are like trigger for me. I know this is easier said than done, especially if you love taking all of these things. It was hard for me at first because I love soda so much. I love it a lot. I would take like 3 cans or even more than that in a day. So my advice here would be that you don't rush yourself. Maybe start with one simple step, like swapping one sugar drink with water or herbal tea every day. Trust me, these small changes, they add up and your energy level will thank you later. So the next thing I did was cook my meals myself. I don't eat out. And this is not me saying eating out is bad. This is just me sharing what I did to get my body to where it is today. I took control of what goes in and out of my body. Nothing too complicated, just simple meals using real ingredients I know my body could handle. Cooking my meals made it easier for me. This way I know what goes in and out of my body and things to avoid so I don't trigger anything. So my advice here is you don't need to be a chef. Just stick to basic, simple ingredients your body recognizes. And trust me, your guts will notice the difference. So the next thing I did was learn to move my body before, during, and after each pregnancy. So whenever I am pregnant, I always find simple ways to stay active, from walking, stretching, to doing some light exercise movement at home. And after my pregnancy, I created my own workout routine that fits into my busy life. Nothing too complicated, just me being consistent. And this way, I was able to improve on my energy level, my mood, and my weight as well. We often put so much pressure on ourselves when it comes to exercising. And trust me, you don't need an hour in the gym to see results. 5 minutes, 10 minutes is a win. The most important thing is that you know what you want and you're being consistent with it. So my advice here would be that you find exercise that fits into your lifestyle. 10 minutes is perfectly fine. Please start from wherever you are. So the next thing I do is keep my meals simple. No complicated recipe, no strict plans, just real food that I enjoy, from swallow to rice, beans, yam, potato, plantain, fish, bread. Just real foods that I enjoy, as well as a lot of water. I realized that keeping my meals simple has helped me with my digestion and saved me the stress of having to worry about what to cook in the kitchen. I don't follow any diets. I just eat in a way that makes me feel good, as well as applying portion control. Please don't overthink it. Build your meals around real food that you enjoy, food that are not complicated. Okay. So the next thing I learned was how to eat earlier and avoid late night eating. I noticed that eating late used to make me feel so uncomfortable and bloated. So now I try to eat my meal around 6 or 7 p.m. and give my body time to digest before I go to bed. And this also helps me sleep better and wake up feeling fresh and lighter in the morning. So please set a gentle curfew around your eating time. Your body needs time to rest and not just your mind. This is very important. So the next thing I did, which is the last part, is I learned to be patient. When I started out, it wasn't easy. I struggled with this a lot. But the only thing that kept me going is that I told myself that I didn't get this weight overnight, neither was I going to lose it overnight. This journey where I am today, it didn't happen overnight. It took me a lot of struggle. There are days I felt stuck. There were days I felt messed up. But I reminded myself that this is a journey and not a race. I gave myself grace. I stayed consistent. I kept going even when the results wasn't showing. And this made all the difference. So be kind to yourself. Don't rush the process. Every simple step is still a win. So this was how I did it. No magic, no pressure, just simple steps that added up over time. So if you're going through the same thing, I want you to know that you are not alone. I see you, and please be kind to yourself, one simple step at a time. This journey is yours alone, and you're doing better than you think. So if this video has helped you in any way, please like it, comment, and share to someone who might need it. See you in my next video. Bye.